Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to set a temporary profile picture on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply open the profile, and here you can see this type of interface. You can now tap on camera icon that is under your profile picture. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the profile picture. I can select this picture. After selecting the profile picture, you can see the option make temporary. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select the duration. You can set the duration of 1 hour or 1 day. I can select 1 day, and now you can tap on save, and this is the way you can upload temporary profile picture on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.